Hello to all you good people, you're watching 3.2 TV. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, leading you into the world of digital currencies. Crypto TV has rebranded itself as 3.2 TV to provide an all-round update to viewers and help broaden the understanding of the evolving digital segment, including cryptocurrencies, blockchain projects, metaverse, non-fungible tokens, cybersecurity, and several other related issues. So keep watching 3.2 TV for all things related to Web3 to keep abreast of all the ongoing happenings and transformation in the digital space. And here are the top trending stories. Bitcoin Ether vault to 2-month high amid optimistic outlook. India's ED probing 10 crypto exchanges for alleged money laundering. Ethereum's third and final testnet merge goes live on Goerli. Dydx says it complied with Treasury's Tornado Cash ban. Billionaire Mark Cuban faces class action lawsuit for promoting Voyager. LongHash Ventures launched $100 million Web3 investment fund. 88% of Nomad bridge exploiters were copycats, says Coinbase report. Ban banks from holding crypto, UN development body says. Now let's deep dive into these stories. Cryptocurrencies advanced further in evening trade on Thursday on optimism that the Federal Reserve may slow its pace of rate hikes after inflation data in July hinted that prices may have peaked. Bitcoin jumped over $24,800 in intraday trades. US stock futures advanced after all the major averages posted sharp gains a day earlier after a better-than-expected July inflation report. Headline Consumer Price Index, or retail inflation for July, eased to 8.5%, lower than the 8.7% consensus of economists. The easing bolstered hopes that the Federal Reserve may slow its pace of rate hikes starting next month. Cryptocurrencies have been moving in tandem with the US stocks this week after decoupling briefly. In line with the risk-on appetite after the softer inflation data, crypto investors abandoned nearly $414 million worth of futures positions, mostly short bets, over the past 24 hours, data showed. Ether surged to 2-month high after Ethereum blockchain's largest and most active network, Goerli, successfully switched to the proof-of-stake consensus at 7:15 a.m. India time. Investors seem to have rushed to buy the token in anticipation that after the transition to proof-of-stake, the native token will be scarce, just like with Bitcoin. Ethereum was recently seen trading at around $1,910, up over 4.4% in the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, the biggest cryptocurrency, traded at around $24,710, up nearly 3% in a similar time span. All other major altcoins too traded higher. India's Enforcement Directorate is investigating 10 crypto exchanges for allegedly assisting foreign firms launder money, according to local publications. The probe is being conducted as the crypto exchanges seem to have complied with the request of accused firms of transferring as much as 100 crore rupees worth of crypto coins to international wallets without carrying out appropriate due diligence. The investigative agency estimates that these so-called firms, some of which have Chinese links, laundered more than 1,000 crore rupees or around $130 million in the instant loan app case. The ED is expected to question officials of these crypto exchanges on the transfer of funds and compliance with the anti-money laundering norms. The money laundering investigation gained attention recently after the ED raided the properties of a WazirX director, resulting in the public spat between WazirX founder Nishchal Shetty and Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao over ownership of the Indian exchange. The third and the final testnet merge before the Ethereum blockchain makes its long-awaited move to proof-of-stake from the proof-of-work was successfully completed today morning. Goerli was the last of the 3 public testnets to run through a dress rehearsal of the merge. The successful transition of the biggest network with the Ethereum network gave investors the confidence that the merge will happen on schedule by September 19th. The network transitioned to proof of stake when the terminal total difficulty, or TTD, exceeded 10,790,000. The US Treasury Department's move to blacklist Tornado Cash, a crypto mixing service, is having a ripple effect across the cryptocurrency ecosystem. The decentralized derivatives exchange Dydx said it blocked some accounts that had interacted with Tornado Cash. Many accounts were blocked because a certain portion of the wallet's funds, in many cases even immaterial amounts, were associated at some time with Tornado Cash, Dydx said in a blog post. The US Treasury blacklisted Tornado Cash on suspicion that it was used by the Lazarus Group, a North Korean hacking group tied to the $625 million hack of Axie Infinity's Ronin network in March. Mark Cuban, the billionaire entrepreneur who has been quite active in the crypto ecosystem for the past year, is facing a class action lawsuit over his promotions of the bankrupt crypto brokerage firm Voyager Digital. The Moskowitz law firm filed a civil suit in the United States District Court in southern Florida against Cuban for promoting Voyager's unregulated crypto products. The lawsuit demanded a jury hearing for the case. The lawsuit alleged that Cuban also misrepresented the firm on numerous occasions, making dubious claims of it being cheaper than competitors and offering commission-free trading services. Voyager was one of the many crypto lenders to Three Arrows Capital that went bust after the latter's insolvency. LongHash Ventures, an Asian investment firm and accelerator that's geared towards Web3, has announced a $100 million venture fund for the decentralized web. The money will be targeted at multi-chain Web3 infrastructure projects supporting DeFi, NFTs, GameFi, and the Metaverse. The company has raised capital from numerous Web3 VCs, founders, and single-family offices like Hashkey Capital, NGC Ventures, Protocol Labs, Gnosis Safe, MEXC, and Synthetics founders Kane and Jordan Warwick, among others. LongHash has already backed over 60 projects including Polkadot, A-Star, Dodo, CoinShift, Akala, Zapper, Gnosis Safe, and Balancer. Some 88% of the exploiters behind Nomad's bridge attack were likely those who merely copied the key attacker's code and executed their own attack, new research firm the crypto exchange Coinbase estimated this week. Nomad, a cross-chain bridge that allowed users to send and receive tokens between different blockchains, was exploited in early August for over $190 million. The Coinbase research shows some 88% of all addresses that conducted the exploit were identified as copycats, as they together stole about $88 million in tokens from the bridge. Well, those were the top trending stories. Keep watching your favorite channel, 3.0 TV. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, signing off.